Welcome to Knowledge Nuggets. Did you know that the average American spends over $12,000 on travel every single year? That's insane, especially when you think about all the crazy things you could do with that money. Look, I get it. Everyone wants to travel the world, see new places, and experience different cultures. But what if I told you that you don't have to break the bank to make those travel dreams a reality? In this video, I'm going to show you how to travel cheaper than ever before. We're talking about game-changing tips and tricks that will help you save thousands of dollars on flights, accommodation, and everything in between. And the best part? You won't have to sacrifice any of the fun or adventure. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to plan your first big trip, this video is for you. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild ride to travel freedom without emptying your wallet. Okay, let's be real for a second. Traveling can be expensive, like really expensive. Flights are going through the roof. Hotels seem to be in a constant state of surge pricing. And don't even get me started on the cost of food at tourist traps. It's enough to make you want to just stay home and watch reruns of your favorite travel shows, right? But hold on. Before you give up on your travel dreams, I'm here to tell you that it's not all doom and gloom. See, travel costs have been steadily increasing over the years, and that's not really a secret. But what if I told you that there are ways to beat the system? That's right. There are tons of savvy travelers out there who have mastered the art of traveling on a budget without sacrificing any of the fun or adventure. And the best part? They're willing to share their secrets with you. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of budget travel, uncovering all the hidden gems and insider tips that will help you save big on your next adventure. We'll show you how to find the cheapest flights, score incredible deals on accommodations, and even eat like a king without breaking the bank. So, are you ready to become a travel hacking ninja? Let's do this. Alright, let's get down to business. The first rule of traveling cheaper than ever before is to be flexible. And I'm not just talking about being flexible with your travel dates, although that's definitely a huge part of it. I'm talking about being flexible with your destinations, your travel style, and even your expectations. For example, instead of fixating on visiting Paris in the middle of tourist season, why not consider exploring the equally charming and way more affordable city of Lisbon in the shoulder season? Or, instead of booking that fancy hotel with all the bells and whistles, why not try out a cozy Airbnb or a local guest house? Another key to unlocking those crazy cheap travel deals is to embrace the power of technology. There are tons of amazing travel apps and websites out there that can help you find the best prices on flights, accommodations, and activities. One of my all-time favorite travel hacks is to use a flight comparison website like Skyscanner or Google Flights to track flight prices and set up price alerts. That way, you'll get notified as soon as the price of your desired flight drops, giving you the chance to snag that deal before anyone else. And speaking of deals, don't forget to sign up for email newsletters from your favorite airlines and travel companies. They often send out exclusive discounts and promotions that you won't find anywhere else. The financial freedom of travel. I know what you're thinking. Saving money on travel is great and all, but what's the big deal? Well, my friend, let me tell you, the financial benefits of traveling cheaper go way beyond just having more money in your pocket. When you travel on a budget, you're not just saving money, you're actually gaining freedom. That's right, I said freedom. Think about it. When you're not constantly stressing about how much your trip is costing you, you're free to actually enjoy the experience. You're free to be present in the moment, to connect with the local culture, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Plus, when you're not blowing your entire savings on a single trip, you're able to travel more often. Imagine that. Instead of saving up for years to afford one big vacation, you could be jetting off to exotic destinations several times a year. See, traveling cheaper isn't just about being frugal, it's about unlocking a world of possibilities. It's about saying yes to adventure, embracing spontaneity, and living life to the fullest. Travel experts agree. Don't just take my word for it. Even the biggest travel experts in the world will tell you that traveling cheaper is the way to go. I mean, these are the people who travel for a living. They know all the best-kept secrets, the hidden gems, and the most effective ways to stretch your travel budget further than you ever thought possible. One famous travel blogger, let's call her Sarah, once said that the best way to travel cheaper is to travel like a local. And you know what? She's absolutely right. When you ditch the tourist traps and venture off the beaten path, you'll not only save a ton of money, but you'll also have a much more authentic and memorable experience. Another travel guru, we'll call him Mark, swears by the power of travel rewards programs. He's earned millions of frequent flyer miles and hotel points just by strategically using his credit cards and signing up for loyalty programs. And guess what? He uses those points to travel the world in style, often for free. The Budget-Savvy Traveler's Toolkit. Alright, before we wrap things up, let's quickly recap the key takeaways from today's travel adventure. Remember, traveling cheaper than ever before is totally possible, but it does require a bit of planning, flexibility, and a willingness to step outside of your comfort zone. First and foremost, be flexible with your travel dates and destinations. Traveling during the shoulder season or to less popular destinations can save you a ton of money on flights and accommodations. Embrace the beauty of off-season travel. Next up, utilize the power of technology to your advantage. Download those travel apps, sign up for those email newsletters, and set up those price alerts. Let technology do the heavy lifting for you. And most importantly, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Get creative with your accommodations, try out local cuisine, and embrace the art of slow travel. Remember, the most memorable travel experiences are often the ones that are unexpected and unplanned. Start your adventure today. So there you have it, my friends. The secrets to traveling cheaper than ever before are officially out in the open. Now it's time for you to take action. Don't let those travel dreams fade away because you think it's too expensive. Start planning your next adventure today. And remember, with a little bit of creativity and resourcefulness, you can make those travel dreams a reality without breaking the bank. Oh, and before you go, I want to hear from you. What are your best money-saving travel hacks? Share your tips in the comments below, and let's keep this travel inspiration flowing. Thank you all.